What's up guys? Today I'm going to do a review on the Ave Pro from Vans. So lately, Vans has been messing with cup sole shoes. They made some of those Ultra Range Pro shoes with a thick cup sole, a lot of support, and this shoe is kind of a mix between those and the regular thin vulcanized Vans. It's called the Ultimate Waffle, and on their website it says demand perfect, that this is like the perfect combination of cup sole and vulcanized shoe. It's thin enough to feel your board, yet gives you enough support. The shoes I was skating before this were very thin, so when I first got these shoes I did feel like the sole was a little bit thick and I had trouble feeling my board, but after the first day of skating them, they feel fine. I have a ton of board feel and a lot of support. When I actually started skating this shoe, one thing I noticed pretty quick is this shoe is very grippy. Everybody that I've seen since I started wearing this shoe has brought it up, you know, at all the skate parks, like, oh, that's new Vans, because Vans is pushing this shoe really hard. It's at the top of their website and it's advertised on Instagram and YouTube all the time. If you go into the mall, there's a huge display, there's a video of it playing all the time, so they're really pushing this shoe. But yeah, everybody knows the shoe, everybody likes the white and the light blue transparent sole color wave, and I got a lot of people saying stuff like, oh, I don't think I could wear that, I need that regular waffle grip. But I feel like this shoe is actually grippier than any other Vans I have right now. So the sole has really good grip. The majority of this video is the very first day I skated these shoes. So the first day I really didn't like them. I didn't get used to the flick until like the second day. But after that, I've loved these shoes. Like, this is a really great shoe, and I can understand why Vans is pushing it so much, because it's awesome. It's a good shoe. So if you're done growing, I think you should get this shoe kind of tight and let it stretch out, because just like the other Ave shoe, it's gonna stretch out a little bit. It's gonna last a long time and it is gonna stretch. So I'd get them a little bit tight at first. Most people I talk to think this shoe looks really cool. You know, girls, guys, people that don't skate. I had one person say, those shoes look really weird. But besides that, you know, there's always gonna be haters with anything, but you know, this was actually my friend. But yeah, they look pretty cool, I think. So there's also a black and blue color wave, but it just doesn't pop as much as that white with the light blue. The cool thing about the tongue is it's sewed all the way around, so it doesn't move around. I really like shoes that feel snug and they feel like they have a sock liner, like they really wrap around your foot. I don't like a shoe that feels like it's moving around, or like a slip-on that you can't tie really tight. I like a really snug shoe when I'm skating. One of the first things I noticed about this shoe was it was really comfortable. Just as far as a shoe to just wear, go walk around, live your life, it's very comfortable. It's got this stabilizing shank in there to give you some extra support, and it's got a lot of cushion. So it does kind of feel like they took the regular Ultra Cush Vans insole from the Pro shoes and cut it in half, put half in the midsole and half in the insole, but there's something special about the actual midsole of this shoe. Like it's not just the Vans, the normal Vans insole. It absorbs impact a little bit better. And the cool thing is you have that extra impact support in the midsole, so you can put whatever kind of insoles you want. If you want to put some footprint insoles or something in there for even more impact protection. The best thing about this shoe is the DuraCap. The front of this shoe is not going to wear out and not going to rip. I'll probably wear out the sole of the shoe right in the ball of my foot before I ever wear out the area where I'm doing kick flips. I've been skating this shoe for a while and I don't see any wear on the top of the shoe. I like that the rest of the shoe is made of mesh. You know, I don't do a lot of heel flips, but the kick flip and ollie area is very protected. The mesh in the back makes the shoe more breathable and more comfortable. This shoe broke in really fast, and I don't have any soreness on my foot. Like there's no pressure point on my foot that's been rubbing against the shoe a lot, you know. This shoe just molded to my foot immediately. So I bought these at the Van store in the mall, and when I went, you know, these have been out for a little while. They only had 3 sizes. They had a 10.5, a 7, and a 7.5. So I went with the 10.5, and it actually fits pretty good. They run a little big. This shoe, in my opinion, runs a little bit longer than most Vans. So this is a shoe that I really didn't have to break in. I could go to the skate park and feel really comfortable skating around in this shoe right away. It was really, really similar to a lot of the Nike Hyperfeel shoes that I've skated in the past. So these shoes look really good on Ave. He's been skating these a lot. He's really picky on shoes and loves them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.